Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm really excited. I have a huge Dollar Tree haul for fall, and then I have some stuff that I hauled from AC Moore. They're having a gigantic sale. Now, I did this shopping last Saturday, but I can't believe it. It's worth going into your AC Moore. Some of their fall items are 60% off. I couldn't believe it. So let me start with AC Moore first, since I only bought 3 things from there because they were almost closing. I only spent 5 minutes in there and found this. Ugh. Okay, the first thing is this. Now, this was in like their spring area, but I loved it, and I only ended up paying $7 for this. It is so pretty. It's metal. You could use this alone. You could put this on there. I loved it. I could not believe my fortune. And we were going to go back the next day, but we were both so exhausted that we didn't. Okay, look at this basket. Look at that detail around through here. And I don't have my receipt, so I can't tell you how much these were originally, but they were pricey. I paid $5 for this basket, okay? I love it. It is so pretty, okay? And then this was in their 60% off section. I paid, I think it was either $7 or $8 for this. I could not believe it. They have this purple inside, or they have one that has the cream, and I wanted the plummy kind of purple one. But look how big this is. $7. I can't believe it. Okay, I went to several Dollar Trees to find these items. Some of them in the Pensacola area say they're beginning, by the time you see this, they should have a lot more fall items out. But I also went to some in Pace, some in Pensacola, and to the one in Fort Walton and Navarre. We just had a good old time, okay? So look at these flowers. I don't remember seeing these last year at Dollar Tree. Let me just start with this color first. Look at this, how beautiful and delicate these are. So I picked up 3 bunches of these. I don't remember ever seeing these at Dollar Tree. Then they had this green, and I loved it. I'm really loving green for this fall. Look how pretty. I still love my bright oranges, but look at that. That is gorgeous. I picked up 3 bunches of these. I don't remember seeing these either. Then I picked up 3 bunches of these. I don't think I've ever seen these last 3. If you have, comment down below, but I've never seen them, okay? Oh, I got 4 bunches of the green, okay? And then they had these like hydrangeas in this really pretty green, so I got 2 bunches of this. I loved that. I'm getting so excited. And then this same with the hydrangeas, but in this sort of rust color. I think it's gorgeous. I love that. And then I picked up some of these. Now, I've seen these before, I believe. I know almost I have. But it has the little cotton with the cattails and the pine cones. I picked up 3 of these. And then I was able to get these. Do you know how much these are in Hobby Lobby and Michael's? They're so expensive. These are so long. Look, compared to my arm, how long these are. I picked up 5 of these. I'm just ready to just lose it almost, okay? And then I picked up this sign that says Gather with the pumpkins on it, and I love the top. Has that check down through there. I love that. And this one that says Thankful with the black and white plaid. I thought that was so pretty. Then I picked up this little pumpkin candle. Now, I've seen this before. It's not really a candle, it's just a container. But I thought that was so pretty, so I decided to get that one. Then this sign, Happy Harvest. I don't remember seeing this one before either, so I think this one is new. I loved that, and it really has like the raffia right there type. I love that. And then I saw these two little signs. I believe these are new too. This one says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. It's so pretty. And then this one says Gather with Grateful Hearts. I loved these. Then I picked this up. I think I've seen this before too, but it's breakable. It looks like it would be wood, but it isn't. It's breakable, and the bottom is hollow, okay? So, and then this is metal, but I loved, and then it has that gold brushing on it. I loved that. Then I picked up this Saving Up For. It's like a little bank. I just thought that was adorable. And then this one says Hopes and Dreams, and it has the little opening in there. I just love this. Then I saw this for $1. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this. And you can't tell, but this part of the sink is actually raised. You can feel it. I just love that. And it continues on the side. And then this is its mate. It has the bathtub with the curtains. But you can see this would go together quite nicely in a bathroom. And then I saw this for my craft room. Look at this. Wouldn't it match perfectly with the makeup and the makeup brushes? So girly. I just love that. And then I have to always stock up on my dark chocolate Raisinets. Then I saw these crock pot appetizer recipes at the Dollar Tree, and they really look good. Mini tacos, and this one is Chipotle chili corn queso dip for $1. Pancetta horseradish dip. Chesapeake Bay crab dip. Oh my gosh, I'm starving. Curried snack mix. I mean, it just keeps going. Spicy cheddar dip. All this for $1, and it just keeps going. So I love that. I got that. Then we were in there, and I've never seen this either. It is buttermilk pancake mix from Duncan Hines, perfect for one person, and you make it in a cup. I just thought that was so neat. I'm going to try it. I have never seen this. I didn't know. I mean, I know that you have like the like brownies and cakes and things, but I had never seen buttermilk pancakes in a cup, and it's Duncan Hines, and it even says new, and the expiration date is perfect, $1. I can't believe it. And then this is new. It says Duncan Hines mocha cake. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm just gonna eat myself into oblivion. I really am. Okay. And then the last item that we picked up, my husband actually picked this up. It's an Art Garfunkel book that he wrote, and we went to a concert of his, a couple months here at the Sanger Theater in Pensacola, and it was really good, and he had mentioned that he had this book out, so my husband went ahead and just picked it up for $1. You can't beat that. So I hope you all check out your Dollar Trees, and definitely go to AC Moore if you have one nearby, because this is all just coming at once. I was totally blown away when I walked in AC Moore and saw all those sales, and 60% off fall right now. That's crazy. But I took advantage of it. But like I said, I only got in the door. I didn't even get back a bunch of aisles. That was just right in front. And then all this stuff from Dollar Tree is so exciting. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.